Hello, my name is Justin Lassen. I am a sound designer, producer, composer, remixer, and I am at GDC 2017. This is like my 15th GDC. It's been a long time, and so I've seen it from very small all the way to the awesome beast that it's become today. And I'm doing a lot of virtual reality experiences, the audio for. One in particular is right behind me, Shapesong, which we've been getting a lot of awards and a lot of attention and exposure from various industries around the world. And we're really excited to be presenting here in the booth with Intel this year. So I'm also an Intel Innovator, which is a really great group of creators and designers and developers from all over the world that do work on some of the coolest projects. And so Shapesong is actually a team that started in the Innovator group right at Intel, and they brought me in specifically to do the sound design, the instruments that you're actually playing. Like, so when you're playing a xylophone or strumming a harp, I created all those sounds for that experience. Another big thing that I did for Shapesong was all the spatial design, so determining like where the sounds are, the perception of them, how you move around. My other partners on Shapesong are Ryan Clark and Justin Link, and they worked on all the code, the scripting, the layout, the art, and kind of created the visual experience that it is today. So we brought in a new member to the team named Jarrett, who's revamping all of the artwork in Shapesong, creating new trees, new grass, new textures. He's using Substance Painter, Substance Designer, which is pretty exciting stuff. And I was also invited to give a talk about virtual reality spatial audio at the Intel Juice Bar here at GDC in the Skybridge. Some of the things I talked about were asset placement in scenes, the perception of the audio itself, DSP, different plugins, different ways to augment and edit the audio, and more importantly, how to treat audio people in your project so that they're not just like an outsourced person or an asset that you bought after the fact or something you brought in during post-production, but as someone who's a true partner of the team. It's not just outsourcing, they are just as important as the coder, as the graphics artist, all of that. And all of the teams that I'm involved in with the Innovator project at Intel, they treat me like that. I'm on 3 different awesome teams, and I get to work on some amazing projects. The virtual reality therapy project, for instance, helps users face their fears, like, for instance, like heights, looking over the edge of a building, jumping off, like literally looking down, feeling that spatial sense. It's been just absolutely amazing to work on all this stuff. Being a part of the Intel Innovator program has actually helped me over the years get access to great technology, great minds, great people. Anytime that if there's something that I don't know about, I can reach into the resources of all these people in this group and ask for things, ask for help. And not only that, but we can also build extra teams that work on side projects and cool things like that. I've been working with Intel for 14 and a half years. I wouldn't be in the position I am at today without the help of Intel all of these years. So it's been a great ride, and I hope for many more years of awesome Intel innovation and cool projects. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about what I'm working on now or in the future, visit justinlassen.com. It's my sort of travel blog where I do photos and stories about all my trips and projects all around the world. It's pretty cool stuff.